Rich, triphwynt anferthol, oeddech chi angen hwnna?
Oedden ni angen. Oedden ni'n mynd i ennill yn y second phase lle. Oedden ni'n meddwl bod ni wedi cael 2 perfformio da yn ebyn Pen y Bont ag Conos Cywe. Ond wedyn gadael hynny'n awr o fan yn ebyn Bari. Wedyn mae TNS yn anodd ond performance da eto. So oedd yn bwysig bod ni'n cael y triphwynt na heddiw ag o'n i'n meddwl bod ni'n llawn heddiw hefyd.
A phob un o'r chwaraewyr yn gwneud dipyn o gamp?
Oedd, o'n i'n meddwl o'r dechrau, nath i ddechrau ar y front foot a oeddwn ni'n dictatio'r gêm o'n i'n tîmo ac wneud symudiadau rili da. A wedyn, ia, sa'n ni wedi gallu bod fwy wrach hanner amser ar y blaen. A wedyn, o'n i'n teimlo wrach bod nhw wedi dod nôl fewn i am ta 5 munud yn yr ail hanner wrach 10. Ond wnaethon ni setlo eto cael Bae lawr y chwarae ac o'n i'n meddwl bod ni'n llawn heddiw'r gêm.
Mike, we've got to start with a disallowed goal. That was the most contentious issue in the game. Your view of that?
Yeah, I was surprised it was disallowed. I'll be totally honest, I don't even think there was a flag that got raised at the time, so we were unaware of what was happening. And it was at a crucial time as well, because I think that's when the momentum was in our favour. We were creating chances. We created chances throughout the 95 minutes, to be perfectly honest again, and we put some really dangerous balls into the box, and we asked a lot of questions of Caernarfon, but none more so than obviously the goal that was disallowed. So it was disappointing because I think that then gave them a little bit of an edge, give them a boost, and they went on to score the second. So from our point of view, we were really disappointed that it was disallowed, and still questioning why the reason behind it was disallowed.
Oedd hi'n edrych yn gêm tempo uchel iawn i chwarae ynddi hi?
Oedd, dyna sydd yn licio chwarae, gael ar y bel, dyna'n licio presio yr tîm. A mae'r quality gyda ni symud y bel yn sydyn, so dyna'n licio chwarae bo'r tempo sydyn nhw.
Da chi'n cynewid lle hefo nhw yn y tabl, da chi fyny bedwerydd. Trydydd ydy'r nod realistig?
Yeah, definitely, dyna di'r gol. Oedd hi'n gwybod pa mor bwysig oedd heddiw fynd uwch ben Colwyn Bae. So the 3 points yn bwysig iawn, a oedd hi'n sbio ymlaen i'r semi-finals nesaf.
You came here, you lost in the cup, you come here, you lost in the league. You don't like coming here to play Caernarfon?
No, but we love a challenge, so if we come back again, and when we come back again, we'll relish the opportunity, and we'll certainly do things a little bit differently.